Digital real estate might seem like another excessive investment opportunity with sales, emails, and telemarketing, but what if I tell you that in reality, digital real estate is necessary in today's world? Why is that? Well, that's exactly what you'll find out in this video. Now, obviously, it's a tremendous opportunity for investors and entrepreneurs looking to make money online. So how can you start with digital real estate and make money? How much money can you make here? What are the opportunities it holds, and what might be its future going forward? If you stay until the end of the video, you will know everything about digital real estate and how you can invest in it. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to watch our videos every day on the digital era. Now understand there are two different concepts of digital real estate. Let's understand how the Metaverse relates to digital real estate. After all, the Metaverse is where digital real estate exists. Of course, many terms are thrown around when discussing the Metaverse, but for anyone interested in digital real estate, the definition is fairly simple. The Metaverse is various 3D virtual worlds designed to allow users to interact like they do in video games and in real life. For example, you can meet up with friends, attend parties and educational events, buy things, and even own virtual real estate. There are numerous approaches to investing in virtual real estate. Some may refer to it as a virtual world, virtual land, virtual island, or even the Metaverse platform. But to succeed in any virtual real estate, you must have a clear strategy. What is digital real estate? Basically, it's like this. Some examples of digital real estate include a plot of land in the Metaverse, a shop selling valuable items in online gaming worlds, or even a special conference room in a virtual workplace. What we believe in today's world, investing in real estate means purchasing property early in a location where you expect people to want to be. The concept of an estate has become unclear in the digital age. Property could take many different forms, such as a plot of land in a virtual world, a seat at a virtual concert venue, or even a billboard in a virtual neighborhood of Paris. A digital world isn't just VR or the Metaverse. Digital real estate does not follow the traditional model of supply and demand because while there is only a certain amount of land on the planet, there is an infinite number of virtual worlds that can be built, thereby avoiding the problem of increasing scarcity. Why do we value digital real estate? Many people wonder why anyone would buy land in a world they can't see, smell, hear, or touch. However, there are numerous reasons to invest in digital real estate. For example, when the World Wide Web first started, buying a website or a URL seemed useless. But we now know that those things are quite often valuable for businesses looking to reach their customers. Real estate in the Metaverse is very similar. While some people buy it to keep, many others buy it with a specific purpose. Digital real estate, just like physical real estate, is valuable because people want it. When you think about it, this is why anything is valuable. When you purchase digital real estate, you receive a sort of deed. This is what proves that you own the property that is stored as an NFT on the blockchain. If you sell the property, the token is your deed, which you will give to the buyer. Your property will be secure with the NFT you hold for as long as the world exists. You can rent, sell, demolish structures, build new structures, invite the queen over for a cup of tea, or give someone else the right to build your own lot. This leads me to the other concept of digital real estate, which is owning online assets aside from the Metaverse. How do you invest in this form of digital real estate? Consider each one of these three options if you want to invest and begin accumulating digital real estate. Number 1, purchase social media assets. One of the ways to invest in digital real estate is to purchase a social media account. You can buy Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, and YouTube channels, among other things, from sites like FameSwap, Social Tradia, or 2Fame. These platforms will provide a secure environment to buy or sell social media properties, allowing you to boost your revenue. Also keep in mind that when you purchase a social media account, you gain unlimited access to a specific audience and can save significant money on marketing. Working with social media influencers can be costly, but rather than paying for expensive collaborations, you can buy a social media account and promote your products or services to a large targeted audience for free. Number 2, purchase digital real estate. Some people purchase their own virtual islands or worlds as digital properties or land. However, with the large real estate market, as well as potential buyers in AR, most people see it as a better investment than physical properties. You can explore websites with the digital or virtual world to buy virtual real estate, virtual lands, and digital assets. Trust me, you can get websites in many different places depending on your needs. 3 of the most popular marketplaces for buying and selling well-known domain names for beginners are Flippa, Empire Flippers, and FE International. However, these platforms are best suited to larger and more established businesses. Number 3, build your own blog. Creating your own blog is similar to purchasing real estate, except you create your own home on the internet. One of the primary benefits of this digital real estate is that it is inexpensive to start, though it requires a significant amount of your time, at least at first. Your efforts will build up over time and you will gain momentum within a few months. And with the assistance of some digital marketing, your digital assets will grow dramatically, and you will begin to see real results. You must first acquire domain names and web hosting to develop your website or blog. You will also require a content management system such as WordPress. But now you might ask, what are some of the pros and cons of a digital real estate investment? Great question. Let's start with the pros. Lower initial investment. Investing in digital real estate can be relatively inexpensive. For instance, you can register a domain name for as little as $8 and host it for $3 per month. Scalable earnings. Because the internet never sleeps and you're dealing with a global audience, your online assets may grow in value exponentially, and you may be able to scale your income indefinitely. Passive income. Many digital real estate investments require little upkeep, making them ideal for anyone looking to create a passive income source and generate consistent cash flow. Time and freedom. Starting an online business can free up your time and will help you make money on your own terms. This means you can work from anywhere worldwide with an internet connection. Diversification of earnings. Diversification is critical for investors to understand by making it simple to diversify your investments. Digital real estate allows you to reduce risk. Now here comes the cons. Skills are required. You may need to improve your skills if you intend to build and grow your own digital real estate. However, the only way you won't need to learn specific skills is to passively invest in digital real estate through a third party. It's unpredictable at times. Digital real estate can be volatile. For example, when Amazon associates all of a sudden reduced their commission rates, some affiliate marketers lost half of their income. Not to mention, Google algorithm changes can impact your rankings, traffic, and sales. Just imagine if your social media account is banned. You will immediately lose your audience and your income. What is the future of digital real estate? Digital real estate's future is both exciting and uncertain. It's exciting because the innovation potential is enormous but risky. I mean, after all, the market is still relatively new and evolving. This led to the question of whether digital land will continue to gain popularity. The answer is yes. And we expect this to stay the same for quite a while, with people developing more interest in gaming and early 2000 gamers starting to mature and get higher paying jobs. This disposable cash is being spent on digital assets such as Metaverse real estate, gaming items, and avatars for their digital identities. But keep in mind that it's not just for gamers, but also those looking to profit from the digital gold rush. More people will buy digital land, create digital identities to escape the real world, and spend more money on in-world items as the world moves further into the digital era. Now, if you still have questions about buying your first digital asset, we've put together an entire video on how to get started and how to actually make money using digital real estate. If you found any of this helpful, hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so it can be spread to more people. So click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.